Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed user profile service failed the sign in. User profile cannot be loaded. First method is hold shift key and click restart. Click troubleshoot, click startup settings, click restart. Press F5 to enable safe mode with networking. Type rstrui.exe, rstrui.exe. Click Next, select any restore point, click Next. Second method, hold shift key and click restart. Click troubleshoot, click startup settings, click restart. Press F5 to enable safe mode and networking. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, user space, /add space, new username. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, new username space, /add. Type exit. Login with newly created user. Open this PC, C drive, users directory, open previous username directory. Copy desktop and documents folder files, simply paste it into newly created users desktop and documents folder. Press Alt and F4 keys to select restart, click OK. Third method is hold shift key and click restart. Click troubleshoot, click startup settings, click restart. Press F5 to enable safe mode and networking. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version, click and expand profile list. Open key with .box extension. Open profile image path. Make sure value name is equal to your login name. Simply delete the key without .box extension. Delete only .box. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.